Cannot be. The referee is to follow the rules. Sometimes I know that they make mistakes. But when we see always mistakes against the same team, something happens. Selamat malam. First, I want to say terima kasih for the supporters that come here to Pare-Pare and make fantastic support. Terima kasih to them.
Pertama-tama saya ingin mengucapkan terima kasih kepada supporter kita yang memberikan atau melakukan pengorbanan yang besar untuk datang ke Pare-Pare untuk mendukung kita. Saya ucapkan terima kasih.
As you know, these last weeks is not be easy to us. Sometimes on the field we think that we are playing against two teams. Today, as you see, was the same situation, unfair. We have more opportunities, goal attempts than opponent. We can score more goals. Unfortunately, we don't have accuracy. We give two mistakes and the opponent team score 2 goals. This is the truth. We cannot consider these mistakes. We need to be focused in all the moments of the game for we can win more matches. Today, as you see, we bet on first line with Fahrul, last game against Luman, that we play against two teams in my opinion. And today, we bet on him again, and I am very happy that he helped the team on defensive moments, but also in offensive moments. And today, he helped the team scoring a goal. This is a good example that we don't have afraid to bet on young players.
Minggu ini sebelum pertandingan, saya kira tidak mudah ya persiapan kita, dan saya pikir selalu bahwa di pertandingan kita itu melawan 2 tim, dan itu juga terjadi hari ini. Dan terkait pertandingan, kita mempunyai peluang yang lebih banyak daripada tim lawan, yang harusnya kita bisa mencetak lebih. Namun kelemahan kita adalah di akurasi, dan sayangnya juga 2 kesalahan yang kita lakukan berujung kepada 2 gol lawan yang mereka cetak. Dan kalian bisa lihat di klip di sini, yang dimaksud oleh coach adalah melawan 2 tim adalah wasit tidak tangan dari pemain Malut nomor 16. Di momen pertama, tangan dari pemain Malut nomor 16 mengenai wajah pemain PSM nomor 29, dan wasit tidak memberikan pelanggaran atau cek VAR. Dan setelah itu bola mengenai tangan pemain Malut nomor 55, dan wasit tidak memberikan penalti, padahal bola mengenai tangannya di dalam kotak penalti mereka. Dan untuk 2 kesalahan yang disebutkan oleh coach tadi yang berujung 2 gol kepada lawan, saya kira ini tidak bisa terjadi. Kedepannya kita harus lebih fokus untuk tidak memberikan cuma-cuma kepada lawan dan bisa memenangkan lebih banyak pertandingan. Dan kalian bisa lihat bahwa kita memberikan kepercayaan kepada pemain-pemain muda kita juga. Ini dan di pertandingan sebelumnya juga seperti Fahrul tampil di pertandingan sebelumnya melawan Sleman, dan hari ini dia juga tampil mulai dari menit pertama melawan Malut, dan dia membantu tim dalam hal serangan, menyerang, bertahan, dan juga membantu tim dalam hal mencetak gol. Dan ini menunjukkan bahwa kita tidak punya rasa takut dalam hal memberikan kesempatan kepada pemain muda.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat malam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Kemenangan ini dikarenakan kerja keras semua yang ada di tim. Terima kasih kepada supporter yang datang mendukung kami. Dan untuk gol saya persembahkan untuk ibu saya hari ini ulang tahun. Secara tim kemenangan ini dipersembahkan untuk Yuran Fernandes. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Coach dari Tribun Timur, mungkin pertanyaan untuk coach terkait taktik tadi yang diterapkan, menarik Akbar Tanjung dan memasukkan 3 striker. Apa yang menjadi alasannya dengan memasukkan 3 striker ini, apalagi mengingat PSM sendiri kan tidak memiliki mungkin center back murni melawan Malut. Dan mungkin untuk Fahrul juga terkait jam bermain yang diberikan oleh coach ini di 2 pertandingan terakhir, seperti apa mungkin tanggapannya dan mungkin itu saja.
You know why I remove Akbar? Because we're going to play against Barito. And I know that the referee want to show yellow card to Akbar. Because if he show yellow card, if he put yellow card to Akbar, Akbar cannot play next match. This is the reason. Because I saw before I remove Akbar, he make a foul. And I saw that Wazit won't expect another foul to give him Kartukuni. And I saw the last matches. I saw what Wazit team make against us. See today, see Sulman, other games. So this is why we remove Akbar. Also, I not put Ricky, because if I put Ricky, he's going to get the yellow card. And for sure cannot help us against Barito. And why Yuran Fernandes 12 months? Because we're going to play against Barito. This is my opinion. I be on North Korea 2 times. And never happened one thing like this. And I know that you speak things about dictator and something about the behavior of human age there. So people from Portugal, journalists, when saw this news about Yuran, they asked me if it's the 1st April. You have here 1st April?
April's Fool's Day.
You know, 1st April, that is, you make...
April's Fool's Day.
Okay? They asked me if, today, if it's the day here of this. Because nobody give 12 months, 1 year suspension with this situation. And if we're gonna, before, when it happened with this 4 Wazit here, game against Barito, if you remember, Wazit team make mistakes. And we play with 1 more player because mistakes of the referee. And Barito wins 6 points. But after, lose again. So I want to see what's going to happen. One thing for sure, Yuran now is famous. PSM Makassar is famous. And Indonesia football is famous because these things that are making. Because North Korea don't have this. I be there 2 times playing AFC Cup, 2 times. And they have rules. So I be on 3 continents working. It's the first time that I see these kind of things happen. What I just want to say is respect PSM Makassar. Respect PSM Makassar. You saw game yesterday, Percy Barito. Everybody saw that some players need to get merit card. Today, some players need to get merit card. I am not, I'm not referee. This is just my opinion. If the people think that I am speaking bad, I just give my opinion. To be UEFA Pro licensed coach, we need to pass on WASIT rules test. And I pass with 20 points. Okay, 20 points, it's maximum. So I can choose to be referee also, but I prefer to be coach. So please respect us. Because you do not deserve this. The players not deserve to pass what passed on Sulman match. We feel that we are playing against 2 teams, game by game. And this is very bad feeling. Very bad. And football needs to be emotion, good emotion. Not to be a drama. And sometimes I feel like the Wazit team want that football be the drama. They want to be the man of the match. No, let the players play. They are the stars. Cannot be the Wazit. Cannot be the referee. Today, he is a star. All the players are the star. Not man of the match. Cannot be. The referee is to follow the rules. Sometimes I know that they make mistakes. But when we see always mistakes against the same team, something happens.
Ya, kenapa Akbar saya tarik? Karena saya tidak mau dia mendapatkan kartu kuning. di pertandingan ini. Karena jika dia sampai mendapatkan kartu kuning, dia akan tidak bisa main melawan Barito di pertandingan selanjutnya. Dan dia sudah membuat satu pelanggaran. Saya lihat permainan tadi bahwa kemungkinan jika Akbar melakukan satu lagi pelanggaran setelah pelanggaran pertamanya, wasit akan memberikan kartu kuning. Dan ini akan menjadi kerugian bagi kita, tidak bisa membawa Akbar ke pertandingan melawan Barito. Dan kalian bisa lihat keputusan wasit yang seperti ini yang saya maksud di pertandingan-pertandingan sebelumnya. Kalian lihat juga hari ini, kalian lihat yang waktu pertandingan Sleman. Dan juga saya tidak pasang Ricky, karena jika Ricky bermain dan mendapatkan kartu kuning, Ricky juga tidak bisa bermain melawan Barito. Dan saya juga ingin mempertanyakan, kenapa harus 12 bulan diberikan kepada Yuran? Kenapa dia tidak layak mendapatkan 12 bulan? Dan ini tidak pernah terjadi dimanapun. Saya sempat dikontak oleh salah satu jurnalis di Portugal, dan pada saat dia melihat kabar ini, dia berbicara kepada saya apakah ini April Fool's Day. April Fool's Day itu pada saat tanggal 1 April di budaya orang Barat memberikan berita bohong kepada keluarga, kepada teman mereka, dan tidak ada di mana-mana memberikan hukuman 12 bulan untuk hal seperti ini. Dan wasit membuat kesalahan demi kesalahan. Sebelumnya, lihat pada saat kejadian yang pertama, pada saat Barito diputuskan untuk mendapatkan 6 poin, namun kembali kehilangan 6 poin tersebut. Sekarang Yuran sudah terkenal, PSM Makassar terkenal gara-gara berita ini, dan sepak bola Indonesia juga terkenal gara-gara berita ini. Bahkan saya sudah bekerja di 3 benua, tidak pernah terjadi seperti ini. Saya pernah kerja di Korea Utara, bayangkan Korea Utara, ini tidak terjadi. Mereka punya aturan. Jadi yang saya mau sampaikan adalah tolong berikan respect kalian kepada PSM Makassar. Ini hanya opini saya, ya. Dan saya juga perlu saya sampaikan, saya adalah pelatih yang berlisensi UEFA, dan untuk lulus menjadi pelatih berlisensi UEFA, kita diberikan tes pengetahuan wasit, dan saya lulus di tes ini. Skor saya adalah 20. Saya bisa pilih untuk menjadi wasit, atau saya bisa pilih menjadi pelatih. Tapi saya memilih untuk menjadi pelatih. Jadi saya tahu aturan-aturan tersebut. Dan saya kira kembali lagi ke Yuran tidak layak mendapatkan hukuman seperti ini. Seharusnya sepak bola itu adalah olahraga yang memberikan perasaan-perasaan bagus, emosi-emosi yang bagus kepada penonton-penontonnya, bukan drama. Biarkan pemain yang menjadi bintang di lapangan, bukan wasit. Wasit hanya bekerja di situ untuk menerapkan peraturan kepada kedua tim. Namun saya pikir bahwa kadang-kadang memang kita manusia bisa membuat kesalahan, namun kadang-kadang saya pikir kesalahan itu hanya dibuat untuk kita.
Tentunya saya berterima kasih atas kesempatan bermain ini. Tapi saya masih harus lebih banyak belajar. Semoga saya bisa bermain lebih baik.
Sebelum Yuran, PSM Makassar juga sempat ramai terkait sanksi belum transfer pemain, Coach. Pertanyaan saya, apakah persoalan hak-hak pemain masih menjadi persoalan berpengaruh terhadap performa pemain di lapangan, atau seperti apa?
What is more affecting is not this situation, is the unfair situation that we feel when we are playing. Okay? We feel unfair situation because our game against Bali not change on the schedule. we feel unfair situation because our game against Sleman not change, and we have a game very important on Vietnam against team of Vietnam. We make the semi-final and we cannot recover. We don't have time to recover. We don't have time to prepare. And the Liga say to the club that cannot change the final games because the clubs are fighting to degradation. And so why now change Persib against Persisolo? Persisolo is fighting to not degradation. This put us crazy. Because on this situation, see, PSM Makassar last years is the club of Indonesia that get more points for Indonesia, international competition. We are playing a semi-final against strong team. Vietnam League allowed to they change the games to can have time to prepare the games. Indonesia League not allowed to change nothing. Nothing. Because I respect the league and the other clubs, I not change the players, I try to put the best players against Sleman. But they are tired. So imagine, if I put a team under 18 or under 20 against Sleman, everybody on the Liga go to say that PSM Makassar sell the game. And I don't want that this happen. I don't want. So this put me crazy because see how many mistakes the referee make against us. They not make one mistake against opponent team. It's big coincidence. And you must see all the game, not the broadcast that Indonesia show. Because many things happen on the game that the people not see or don't want to see. This is why that it's important that we have fair things here. And this is the emotion. We are not degradasi. But we respect the opponent team. So we're going to try to do our best. We don't want that Wazit make a favor to us. No. We just want respect. In this moment, they are not respect the players. They are not respect the staff. They are not respect the supporters. But not just for PSM Makassar. Imagine, the supporters that are fighting with Sleman and with Barito, they are not stupid. They see that PSM Makassar, it's important. Because play against Sleman and now go to play against Barito. So imagine that now we're going to take a team with under 18 against Barito. Everybody going to say what? That we sell the game to Barito. We need to have respect on this situation. And the people not respect. This is because I believe that about the transfer FIFA, the club going to fix everything. At least they tell me this. So I try to believe on the people. On the other side, the serious things, it's that in this moment, Indonesia is famous, PSM Makassar is famous, Yuran is famous for bad things. Because just on Indonesia, that is happened. And I am proud to work here on Indonesia. I like to work here. The people have respect to me and I respect to the people. And I don't like now to see what people say on Portugal about the League of Indonesia when they saw this news. How we want to show respect if we make this. Because Pepe, central back from Real Madrid, kick the head on the game. He not catch 12 months. Paulo Fonseca, head coach Portuguese, my friend, on France, make this to the referee, catch 9 months. Yuran, not make nothing, 12 months. Welcome to Indonesia.